left hand side on the see me and from these guys.
Someone on the back of
Dito pala.
ito na nga.
So it's quite a get a picture.
Hi, are you?
Just be careful with that bag. Don't go in there yourself. Come and see me and we'll open the bag together. It's a bit of a jack in the box. So during the normal course of the day, if you need something out of that building, something we should be able to see them here. There they are. That's right. Take a line straight through there, over those aeroplanes, straight over the town through, straight out, way out to the west coast. That's where we're headed today. That's where Milford Sound's located. I want you to remember that commute through to Queenstown for a lot of work. There are a few retirees living here too, and it's a bit of a holiday spot too. But it is about to grow hugely. There's a new development coming off. It's just clicked through 1.7. Okay, there we go, folks. That's the turn off I was talking about before. Here we go. So we're off the Maidstone Highway. Now we're setting out, heading through directly west to Te-Anau. Controls the level of the lake and the river that flows out of here, which is called the Waiau River. That in turn flows into Lake Manapuri, which has a great big power station hanging off it. It's an amazing power station. It was built in the 1960s, so they basically just dug into a great big granite mountain. And so it's a very deep lake formed by a glacier many thousands of years ago. So it ripped its way all the way through here and tore out all the rock and created the lake. But it is a big freshwater lake. It's all, freshwater, all coming from the mountains. And the main body of the lake is about, I'll just pitch my head, you can't do that. That's not part of it. You've got to use, you've got to stay in those huts. So you have to be fit enough to make the huts every day, alright? So moderate fitness is required. So you're fit enough to walk an entire day and actually make it to the hut and not have to perch under a tree and lie in the rain and try and go. And it was also shot right throughout the South Island too, and up into the north. Now, don't worry about this too much because I'm going to drop you in. We're going to get a jump ahead from these guys, and we're going to just get ahead of the mob a little bit. You'll see why in a minute. I'm going to drop you just in a few minutes.
Someone on the back.
push. What we might do, we'll just see how we go. Those guys down here off our left-hand side are parked in a really dumb place, but we'll see. That's where Milford's located, straight through that big mountain. So that's where we're headed now. So we'll drop all the way down to sea level. What time are we? 25 past 12. So that's spot on time. So we'll drop on down. I'm going to leave you guys alone for a little minute. Let you take all this in. And we'll drop all the way down to sea level. So I'll come back to you just on the, just with a few minutes to run into Milford. And I'll run you through what you need to know for this afternoon. This is the end of the day. And that mountain, you're going to cruise around underneath the base of that big mountain. When you get out, planes here? No, funnily enough. Okay, there's certainly some helicopters around. So anyway, if you want to fly back, it'll be the flight of your life. It's wonderful. Anyway, it is weather dependent, of course. Let's get round the corner here. Now, the first thing you're going to see off to your left-hand side. Made it! Yay! We're here in one piece. Thank goodness.
Lobat na eh.
Babang malalo po. Wag, babang ito.
Quite calm inside the fjord because we have what we call a sill which runs across the entrance. The glacial sill which happen on rain.
Talnan kaya mo? Kaya ka nung maap. Sige. Ikaw malang tao na yun. Yes. Malang tao, wala kayong kuya. Yan! Wow! Wow! Raymond Bagatsing and Gretchen Barrett.
Something each of those steps representing a different period of ice action inside the fjord. Another step across the other side of Milford seal along here. Sitting to the right. And a few rainbows thrown in for good measure as well. So, on behalf of the team, myself, and Summit Discoveries, thanks for cruising with us.
The sun's coming out and we are done.
Tara na.